Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of exited account on Picsart. To know how to fix or how to solve exited account on Picsart, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window or to the app of Picsart and you can click. Then you can click on force stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. In the end, you can go to Play Store, you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.